Discover how to effortlessly connect and use your ERAZER Translation Earbuds. This quick guide will walk you through setup, features, and comfort, ensuring you get the most out of your earbuds. Pairing your earbuds is incredibly simple and fast. Just open your device's Bluetooth menu, select Razer XP2E, and watch them pair instantly. It's designed for ease and efficiency right out of the box. The multifunctional smart case offers direct control over various functions without needing your phone. Adjust audio settings, use it as a camera remote, change system settings, and manage media controls effortlessly. Experience comfort and fit with your earbuds, even if you wear glasses. The secure over-the-ear hook ensures stability, while the glasses-friendly design offers a seamless fit for extended comfort during long usage. The open-ear audio design is a standout feature, providing a unique listening experience that balances high-quality sound with environmental awareness. Enjoy immersive sound while staying connected to your surroundings. Key takeaways include effortless pairing, a feature-rich smart case, glasses-friendly comfort, and the open-ear advantage. Enjoy great audio while staying aware of your surroundings, perfect for active users.